question says, and I've written it down in shorthand here, that there's some function f of x equals x to the fourth plus 5x cubed plus ax plus b. When it's divided by x minus 2, the remainder is equal to the remainder when that is divided by x plus 1. And then x plus 3 is a factor of it. When it's a factor, it means there is no remainder. So let me handle this first one first. I'll do synthetic division, and I'm just going to write the coefficients. The coefficient of x to the fourth is 1. 5 is the coefficient of x cubed. There is no x squared factor, so its coefficient is 0. Got to make sure to write that one down, keep all the places. And then a is the coefficient of x, and b is the constant. And I'm dividing it. I'm doing not polynomial long division, synthetic division, and x minus 2. Well, if x minus 2 equals 0, x equal 2. So I'm going to put that 2 there, and I'm going to carry the 1 down. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. 2 times 14 is 28. 28 plus a is 28 plus a. 2 times 28 plus a is 56 plus 2a. Oh, I can't get that a in there. Hold on. Okay, 56 plus 2a. And then if I add b to that, I get 56 plus 2a plus b. So that's the remainder. Now I'm going to do this synthetic division again with x plus 1 equals 0, so x equals minus 1. So I'm going to put minus 1. And then those same coefficients, 1, 5, 0, a, b. Carry the 1 down. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4. Negative 1 times negative 4 is 4. 4 plus a is 4 plus a. Negative 1 times 4 plus a is negative 4 minus a. And then I'll add that to b, and that's the remainder. So these two things have to be equal. It says negative 4 minus a plus b. Let me get rid of that circle. Equals 56 plus 2a plus b. So let's see, the b's are going to cancel because I'll subtract b from both sides. And then I will add a to both sides. That's 3a. And I will subtract 56 from both sides. Negative 4 minus 56 is negative 16. A equals negative 20, because 3 times negative 20 is negative 60. I think I'm going to need another board. Well, maybe not. I might be able to handle this. It says it says x plus 3 is a factor, so find b. So there's a is negative 20. X plus 3 is a factor, meaning the remainder will be 0, and I know now that a is negative 20. So I'm just going to write 1 is a coefficient in front of x to the fourth. 5 is a coefficient in front of x cubed. 0. Negative 20 is the coefficient, is a. I figured that one out, in front of x. And then b, I don't know what b is, so I'll put that there. And then if x plus 3 equals 0, x equals minus 3. So here's my minus 3. And then I'll carry down the 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 0 is negative 6. Negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. Negative 20 plus 18 is negative 2. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6 plus b. Well, 6 and b plus 6 is 6 plus b. The remainder is 6 plus b. And the remainder, because x plus 3 is a factor, has to be 0. 6 plus b equals 0, so b. Oh, that b looks terrible. B equals, I subtract 6 from both sides, negative 6. So a is negative 20, b is negative 6.